Today, we're diving deep into a concept that's truly mind-bending: the waters above. Now, before you think I'm talking about rain clouds, let's unpack this ancient idea because it sits right at the intersection of old cosmology, cutting-edge plasma physics, and some seriously profound spiritual interpretations. When you hear waters above, you might instantly think of Genesis 1:6-7, where it talks about a firmament dividing the waters from the waters. This phrase has captivated thinkers for centuries, and depending on how you look at it, it could describe anything from a spiritual dimension to a cosmic plasma boundary, or even energetic layers right in our atmosphere and space. Let's explore this fascinating idea through three distinct lenses: ancient cosmology, modern scientific parallels, and plasma universe perspectives. First up, the waters above and ancient cosmology. You see, across countless ancient civilizations, these waters above weren't just HEO. They symbolize the primordial medium, the pure energy or essence from which all creation condensed. Think about it. In Hebrew texts like Genesis, it has the waters divided by the firmament, a cosmic sea above the heavens and another below the earth. The Egyptians had their goddess Nut arching over the earth, her body forming the celestial ocean. Mesopotamian myths describe Apsu and Tiamat, the divided waters of creation. And in Vedic traditions, the upper waters were luminous, linked to lightning, fire, and ether. In all these, water was a symbol for something far grander: the cosmic plasma, or life-bearing essence, the very first matter. It truly was the prima materia. Now, let us blast into modern times with plasma and the waters above, modern physics parallels. This is where it gets really exciting. In the realm of plasma cosmology, the waters above can be understood as ionized plasma layers that either separate or surround planetary systems. So, what's plasma? It's often called the fourth state of matter. It's an ionized gas of charged particles that behaves like a fluid, conducts electricity, and responds intensely to magnetic fields. Here's a mind-blowing fact: over 99% of the visible universe is plasma. We're talking stars, nebulae, auroras, lightning, even interstellar space. What is fascinating is that modern science has discovered layered plasma regions around Earth that sound incredibly similar to those ancient waters above. Take our ionosphere, for example, that electrically charged upper atmosphere. It reflects radio waves and glows with auroras, a true sea of charged particles. Then there's the magnetosphere, Earth's plasma field, shaped by our planet's magnetic field. It acts like a protective dome or firmament, shielding us from solar winds. And don't forget the heliospheric plasma sheet, the very boundary of our sun's influence, literally separating solar plasma from the interstellar medium. Talk about a division of waters. Each of these layers is a dynamic, luminous plasma ocean, behaving far more like fluid waters than solid air or a vacuum. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? This brings us to plasma cosmology and the firmament as a boundary layer. In models like the electric universe and plasma cosmology, the firmament could represent a double-layer plasma sheath, an electromagnetic boundary that separates regions of differing potential. These double layers form naturally in plasma and can trap, reflect, and even shape light, appearing very much like a barrier or a dome. The waters above would then be the higher energy plasma region, electrically distinct from the denser matter below. It is why many plasma cosmologists and even some theologians draw astonishing parallels between the biblical firmament, the Van Allen radiation belts, and the ionized heliospheric boundary. All of them are divisions of plasma regions, electrically separated waters. So, why does the metaphor of waters work so perfectly for plasma? Well, plasma flows like a liquid, glows like fire, and conducts like metal. It truly bridges all three classical elements: water, fire, and air. In this sense, ancient mystics who envisioned waters above might have been observing or intuiting the plasma phenomena in the skies, the auroras, electrical storms, and zodiacal light. If you think about it, Water symbolizes flowing life energy, which aligns perfectly with plasma flow or current. The firmament symbolizes the separation of realms, much like a plasma double layer or magnetopause, and light above represented divine radiance, mirroring solar plasma, auras, or ionization glow. So, waters above the firmament can quite literally mean the luminous plasma ocean above Earth as atmosphere, a realm of incredible light and energy. But let's not forget the esoteric and spiritual interpretations. Many mystics describe the waters above as the astral or higher energetic planes, where light is structured yet fluid, and consciousness interacts directly with energy. From this perspective, plasma isn't just a state of matter. It's a bridge between pure energy and consciousness itself. The waters above are the living fields of light, what many traditions call ether, chi, or prana. Modern plasma research has even shown that plasma can self-organize, store information, and exhibit lifelike behaviors, beautifully blurring the line between inert matter and consciousness. To sum it all up, the waters above, those celestial oceans beyond the firmament, find their modern analog in the ionosphere, magnetosphere, and interplanetary plasma. The firmament, the dividing dome or boundary, beautifully aligns with plasma double layers and electromagnetic barriers. And the waters below, our earthly oceans and dense matter, correspond to planetary material and atmosphere. In essence, the ancient concept described a division between spiritual light and material density, and modern science sees it as the separation between charged plasma and neutral matter. It's one of the most elegant ancient metaphors that modern science has, almost accidentally, confirmed. What an incredible journey through time and science. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the waters above. If this blew your mind even a little bit, please hit that like and subscribe for more explorations into the universe's biggest mysteries. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.